Installing Windows 8. That should be fairly nice and easy. You can install this using my iPhone. So you guys can get to see what's going on. Maybe I could get to see what's going on too. We're gonna set this up here real nice. Let's see if we can get this going. Should be easy enough right there. How about that, guys? Yep. Alright. Let's hope that it asks me to choose a partition, because I have Windows 7 on another partition. So let's hope I can do boot somehow and choose, my own partition here. Let's do custom install. We're not upgrading. Here we are. Alright, so we can use this partition here. Let's see how it looks. It shouldn't take too long. Maybe I should just pause this. Let's see how long it takes. I'm going to do this in real time.
Time to dig into Stranger Than Nature, all new series. Premieres tomorrow at 10 on Nat Geo Wild.
So basically what I've done so far is made download a ISO image of Windows 8 and put it on one of these. And this is Red Hat Linux. I was about to install Red Hat, but ran into some problems where I couldn't find a driver to load the CD off of it, which was weird. But anyway, I burned it onto one of these, pop it in my CD-ROM drive, and boot off the CD-ROM drive. So it's already down at 41%, so Windows 8 shouldn't take that long to install. So I'm hoping that this is fully configured by 9 o'clock. It is now 7:45. This install should take 20 minutes or less to install. I doubt it'll take an hour to install and configure and to update. It shouldn't take an hour to install and to configure. So once that's done, I think I should be able to watch the primaries. Well, I should be able to watch the CNN and see who won the election. So here we go. We're down 80% already. So that's great. Getting the files is the fastest part. The actual installation takes a little longer. So let's see how Windows 8 fly by the installation features. Because I know there's a little bit more installation features when it comes to Windows 7. So let's see how Windows 8 does. If it's faster, even great.
Porpoising has unexpected side effects.
Wow. Just breeze through the installation features and the install updates. Wow. Wow. It's about to reboot, guys. That was fast. And I can reboot it right now if I want to, but you know, it's 2 seconds different. So I'm just gonna watch this reboot. Cark your ears. Let's see what this reboots into. If it reboots into Windows 7 or if it reboots into Windows 8. I think it's gonna reboot into Windows 7. Actually, it shouldn't. Let's take a look. Here we go. Should boot into the CD-ROM because I still have CD-ROM set as first option for booting.
But sometimes, if a seal spots a shark, it attacks. It's a hit and run.
It's gonna ask you to hit any keyboard. I'm not gonna hit any keys on my keyboard. So let's see.
And it still doesn't get
Cool.
It's mod.
So where's my Windows 7? I hope I get to my Windows 7 partition. I'll be screwed. So I have everything on there.
It's its butt kick.
This installing is a little blind. I could always reformat this partition when I'm ready and get back my primary boot partition.
1,000 miles, the female has timed her arrival perfectly.
Ah, there it is. Windows 7 or Windows 8. Actually asked me to choose my operating system. Whoa, by the time I could get to the keyboard. Hey, that was freaking amazing. It was Windows 7, Windows 8. That was awesome. So it knows that it needs to still configure Windows 8. So it's gonna configure Windows 8. And it looks like I have options to choose once I boot Windows. So I can choose whether I want to choose Windows 7 or Windows 8. That's sweet.
It's time for the pups to leave. Sharks arrive. It's one of the greatest concentrations of great white sharks in the world. You might want your doctor doing your job.
Getting device ready. See how fast it breezes through my devices. I have tons of devices on my machine, but wow, that looks okay. It's 67. Looks like it already got the Windows video drivers installed. The graphics on it looks way much better. Getting ready. One more restart. Wow, this is actually fast. Really fast than I have expected it to be. It's not even 10 minutes yet. Looks like I'm getting be done with the install. It's gonna be awesome. So here's the reboot.
Joe may have your back. Johan has your feet. Chevalier, meet me in his courtyard.
Hey, it's me, Water. I was trying to figure out how I could get rid of 99% of the lead I can pick up, and then...
So I'm running an Intel Core i7 processor at 2.66 megahertz, and I have 24 gigabytes of RAM on my machine. So you guys want to ante up on your system. So look at this. I'm going to bypass, not booting from the CD. It's going to jump into Windows logo. And look, you'll see Windows 7 and Windows 8 at the top. Let's hope I see that again. I did saw it before, so I'm hoping I see it again this time. And every time I boot up the computer.
Daddy, come on, we got a new book. This is a story about Jingle the Husky Pup and Jingle.
Yes, and there it is.
the dog.
See that? Windows 7 and Windows 8.
Jingle
I'm
loves
going
to
to choose Windows 8.
Jingle even loved to sing. Jingle stayed and Jingle did.
let's go through some stuff. So here we go. So it says personalize. I'm gonna put in my name. PC. No, it wants the PC name. I'm gonna call it David. I'm gonna call it David Rig. David Rig 8. Well, my other computer is David Rig, so I'm gonna call this one David. What should I call this one? Let's call it David Milton. Give it my full name. Next, use Express settings, or I could just customize it. Automatically install. I'm going to use the customization settings. Yes, start on share and connect device. Help protect and update your PC. On help protect. Yes, smart screen filter. Turn on Internet Explorer screen filter to check URLs. Yes, I want all that good stuff. Send Microsoft info and help to make Windows apps better. Yes, help Microsoft respond to malicious apps, malware by joining Microsoft. And I don't want to help Microsoft right now. Help improve Microsoft by sending some location. No, I like all that other stuff. Use Windows error reporting. Yes, I'll do that. Share info apps. Let apps use my name and account pictures. Yes, I like all that. Features. Sign into your PC using email address. Use your favorite email address as a Microsoft account to sign into Windows. We won't send you spam. Huh, okay. I have a Microsoft email address I'm going to use. Alright, so it's KMD Consultant Limited at msn.com. Checking for a Microsoft account. So it looks like it found an account. Let's see if I remember the password. Password didn't work. I remember this password, man. Found it. Okay. It says here, we'll use this info to help you record your password and keep your account more secure. Okay. Best childhood friend. Yep, I hope you didn't see that. Creating your account. So I'm actually online here and everything because Microsoft is, made me sign in using an actual email account that's registered with MSN. So I'm on there. Wow, it says hi. While we're getting things ready, check out the new way to use Windows. Okay. After your PC is ready, move your mouse into any corner. Okay, so it's giving you like a tutorial on how to use this new Windows. So you move your house into any corner, like what it's demonstrating here. Obviously you can't do that right now because it's doing some stuff in the background. It's a nice green picture. Look how green that is. It's like it became blue now. It's alternating colors. Pink. We're getting your PC ready. This will take a few minutes, so let's see. It's been 15 minutes, so not bad. It's pretty fast. I was saying 30 minutes, but looks like this will be ready before 30 minutes. I think I like the colors though. That keeps changing. It's kind of annoying. because you really want just one nice color. It's just flashing all these different colors. So now it's installing some apps. So I think this is the part where it takes a little long. It probably does some app installation, and it probably does some Windows updates in the background. But a lot of the stuff is being done in the background, so there's really not a lot of interaction. As you can see, when I choose to customize it, that's when I got to, did some interaction with the installation. Other than that, if I choose to use the custom settings, I probably wouldn't have spent that long on it. So going forward, it looks like it's hands off. So I think anyone should be able to install Windows 8, man, because it's a very straightforward installation. User doesn't need to know crap. Look at that. And it's done. Windows 8 is up and running. Like, oh my god, it has everything. It has pictures, it has I have pictures here. Wow, these are some old pictures that I didn't even remember I had. Someone. Cold Prophet. Wow, so this is cool. We can send an email. Subject. This is really cool. Hey, how? Hey, now she say, hey, Nicole. How are you? Whoa. Whoa, what was that? Something just happened. How are you? I don't know what just happened there. Hope you today. And send. Alright. So this is cool. Let's go start. Where's the start button? I know it's a start button. Change PC settings. Here's where you activate your Windows. Can't activate right now. Try activating Windows later. It has this. If this issue persists, contact your system. Blah blah blah. Do some Windows update. Shouldn't do Windows update yet. That was a bad move. You're set to automatically receive Windows update. Users. Okay. Start. I know there's a way to. Oh, here you go. Desktop. There you have a nice clean desktop. It's just like, Windows 7. You can personalize it. Put back all your icons and stuff. So I'm gonna put back my icons up there. And apply. I like this wallpaper, so I'm gonna leave it. There's Internet Explorer. It's pretty cool. See, there's no start button. But if you glide your hands over here, you go back to the start menu, and you get back, get back the stuff. So here was my Internet Explorer. I could go, any website from here. Go to Google.com. So, Windows 8 seems to be great, guys. I'm loving it, and I hope you guys get to experience it too. Took me less than 20 minutes to install. Okay, have fun. I'll upload this and tell me what you think.